Residence Inn, downtown convention center in Washington, D.C. They do have overnight self-parking. I'm gonna tell you, on the weekends, this parking lot fills up very, very quickly. So if you're gonna get here early. Make sure you get yourself a parking pass. All their COVID safety protocols. They got them posted again. That's what I like about Marriott. They try to make sure that you're clean. The property does keep the door locked. You definitely have to have your key to get in and up the elevator. Concierge desk as soon as you walk in. Open from 9 a.m. to 7. Another little seating area. Where you check in. Nice little check-in area. They do have a lounge back here. This is also currently closed though. Typical market, most Marriotts have them. So definitely good at the Residence Inn since you have a kitchen. Go there and get some snacks to warm up. Little business center. Got the Delegate, their restaurant. They do have a rooftop bar as well. As you see, it's a bar. It extends back into a restaurant. And this is actually the back side of the Delegate. Go back past that point. Check and see what it looks like, man. Don't judge the room. Been here for a couple days and actually just now getting to the room tour. As I'm about to check out, but I wanted to show you guys this property. Another nice one. Full kitchen. Got your stainless steel refrigerator up top. Down bottom, got the freezer. You got your microwave, little stove top, dishwasher. You got a full kitchen, a little island for you to eat at. Give you guys this view from it. Flip, we got the living room. Nice good couch. Got a small living room, but it's still nice to have separate living space. Nice view of outside. They do have a TV in the living room that flips around to the bedroom, which is pretty dope. You have to spin it around. Television, we're gonna spin the TV around with us to the bedroom. Now again, don't judge me. Been here a couple days already, so the bed isn't perfect. Nice king size bed, got your alarm clock. Speaker. They do also give you nice little reading lamps. I think it's a pretty dope idea. Nice little place to ready. Got the dresser down there. Closet for some extra space. Of course, you got your ironing board. You got your bathroom. Cool bathroom, nice mirror, good lighting on the mirror. And you got a full walk-in shower. So you got the rooftop bar, lounge area. And it wraps all the way around.